Do you know you could turn a humble pantry ingredient into a powerful collagen booster that helps smooth wrinkles, firm skin, and keep you looking vibrant? Most people think of collagen only in terms of supplements or fancy creams, but the truth is, you can give your body everything it needs to protect and rebuild collagen right from your kitchen. Collagen is the structural protein that keeps your skin plump, your joints comfortable, your hair strong, and your nails resilient. It's the scaffolding that holds everything together. But after age 50, our natural collagen production begins to slow dramatically, dropping by as much as 1 to 2% every year. This decline can lead to sagging skin, deeper fine lines, weaker joints, and a loss of that youthful radiant glow. That's why getting the right nutrients from food becomes more important than ever. And here's the good news. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet. In fact, a simple, satisfying recipe like anti-aging lentil patties can deliver an incredible mix of collagen-supporting vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants in one delicious bite. Every ingredient in this recipe has been chosen with purpose, backed by scientific research to help you fight inflammation, protect collagen fibers, and support healthy skin from the inside out. Stick with me until the end, because the final ingredient is something so common you probably walk past it every day. Yet it's one of the most overlooked keys to maintaining strong, healthy collagen for years to come. Ingredient number 1. Tomato paste. Collagen is constantly under attack from two major enemies: ultraviolet, UV, radiation, and oxidative stress. Over time, these factors break down the collagen matrix in your skin, leading to visible signs of aging such as wrinkles, sagging, and loss of elasticity. If you're over 50, your body is already producing less collagen each year, so protecting what you have is critical. One of the most powerful natural protectors comes in an unexpected form: tomato paste. Tomato paste is an exceptionally concentrated source of lycopene, the red carotenoid pigment responsible for tomatoes' color. Beyond its vibrant hue, lycopene acts as a potent antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals before they can damage collagen fibers. Research has shown that lycopene consumption can significantly reduce collagen degradation caused by UV exposure, acting like an edible sunscreen that works from the inside out. In one controlled study, participants who consumed lycopene-rich foods had less sun-induced skin damage compared to those on a low lycopene diet. Here's the catch: lycopene is fat-soluble, meaning your body can only absorb it effectively when it's paired with a healthy fat. That's why cooking tomato paste with olive oil not only enhances its flavor but dramatically boosts lycopene absorption. Olive oil adds its own antioxidants, further reinforcing collagen protection. A common mistake is thinking raw tomatoes will provide the same benefits. While they do contain lycopene, it's in a less bioavailable form, and without a fat source, absorption is minimal. Another pitfall is using store-bought tomato paste filled with added sugar, salt, or preservatives, which can promote inflammation, the very thing you're trying to avoid. To maximize benefits, choose pure, unsweetened tomato paste and gently cook it with extra virgin olive oil. Even adding a tablespoon to soups, sauces, or the base of lentil patties can deliver a potent dose of collagen defense. Protecting collagen from breakdown is the first step, but lasting skin firmness also depends on strengthening its internal structure. That's where our next ingredient comes in, supporting the critical cross-linking process that keeps collagen strong and resilient. Ingredient number 2. Garlic. One reason collagen can lose its firmness and elasticity is a lack of proper cross-linking, the molecular bridges that give collagen fibers their strength. Without these cross-links, collagen becomes weaker, leading to skin laxity, fine lines, and slower wound healing. This is where garlic steps in as a powerhouse ingredient. Garlic is naturally rich in organosulfur compounds, most notably allicin, along with taurine and alpha-lipoic acid. Sulfur is an essential cofactor for certain enzymes that build and stabilize collagen, essentially acting as the glue that holds collagen fibers together. Taurine, on the other hand, helps protect collagen structure by reducing oxidative stress and maintaining proper hydration within connective tissue. Alpha-lipoic acid adds another layer of protection, regenerating other antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which are crucial for collagen maintenance. Scientific studies have confirmed sulfur's vital role in collagen synthesis, showing that without sufficient sulfur intake, collagen fibers form incorrectly, making them more prone to breakdown. Garlic delivers this mineral in a highly bioavailable form, making it a simple yet potent way to reinforce your skin's structural integrity. A common mistake is going overboard. Eating large amounts of raw garlic can irritate your digestive system and even cause nausea. Another pitfall is relying on garlic powder or pre-minced garlic stored in oil, which often contains fewer active compounds and may lack the potency needed for real collagen benefits. For maximum impact, use fresh garlic. Crush or finely mince about 2 cloves to activate its beneficial compounds, then let it sit for a minute before cooking. You can mix it directly into the lentil patty mixture for a subtle flavor boost, or gently sauté it in olive oil before adding other ingredients. This light cooking method mellows the flavor without destroying its sulfur compounds. Now that we've strengthened collagen's internal bridges, the next step is to encourage regeneration, stimulating fresh collagen growth with a nutrient renowned for cell renewal, vitamin A. Ingredient number 3. Carrots. Dull, sagging skin can often be traced back to a lack of vitamin A, a nutrient essential for healthy cell turnover and collagen production. Without enough vitamin A, skin cells renew more slowly, elasticity decreases, and fine lines can deepen over time. Carrots, with their vibrant orange color, are one of the richest sources of beta-carotene, a plant pigment your body converts into vitamin A as needed. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in regulating the skin's natural renewal cycle, helping shed old, damaged cells and replace them with fresh, healthy ones. This process supports collagen production by creating a healthier foundation for new fibers to form. It also stimulates fibroblasts, the cells in your dermis responsible for producing collagen and elastin, making the skin look smoother and more resilient. Scientific evidence shows that adequate beta-carotene intake can improve skin tone, reduce roughness, and even offer mild protection against UV-induced collagen breakdown, working synergistically with other antioxidants. A common mistake is eating carrots raw without any fat source. Beta-carotene is fat-soluble, meaning it needs to be paired with a dietary fat to be properly absorbed. Without it, much of this skin-renewing nutrient passes through your system unused. To maximize benefits, finely chop or grate carrots before adding them to your lentil patty mix. Combining them with healthy plant oils, like olive oil or a small amount of coconut oil, not only enhances absorption but also adds a tender texture to the patties. You can also lightly sauté the carrots before blending to soften their fibers, releasing more beta-carotene. With tissue regeneration underway, the next step is to bring in a powerful vitamin C source to ensure those collagen fibers are formed efficiently and remain strong. Ingredient number 4. Parsley. When your body lacks vitamin C, it can't effectively produce collagen, no matter how much protein you consume. This essential nutrient is a cofactor for the enzyme prolyl hydroxylase, which stabilizes collagen's triple helix structure, ensuring fibers are strong, resilient, and long-lasting. Without it, collagen becomes weak, leading to skin laxity, slower wound healing, and more visible fine lines. Parsley is one of the richest leafy sources of vitamin C, often containing more per gram than citrus fruits. Beyond vitamin C, it delivers a potent blend of flavonoids that act as antioxidants, helping to neutralize free radicals that would otherwise damage collagen and other skin structures. This makes parsley both a builder and protector of your skin's foundation. Research has shown that diets high in vitamin C correlate with smoother skin, better hydration, and fewer wrinkles in aging populations. Its antioxidant activity also supports fibroblast health, keeping your collagen factories running efficiently. A common mistake is overcooking parsley, which quickly depletes its vitamin C content, or using wilted, old leaves that have lost much of their potency. To get the maximum benefit, always choose fresh, vibrant green parsley and store it properly to preserve nutrients. The best way to incorporate parsley into lentil patties is to finely chop it and mix it into the blend after the other ingredients have been processed. This keeps the vitamin C intact while adding a fresh, herbal note that brightens the overall flavor. Now that you have a solid vitamin C source in your recipe, the next step is to add an antioxidant powerhouse that shields those newly formed collagen fibers from UV and oxidative stress. Ingredient number 5. Red onion. Chronic skin inflammation is one of collagen's most persistent enemies. Over time, it triggers the release of enzymes known as matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, which actively break down collagen fibers and weaken the skin's structural integrity. This leads to sagging, loss of firmness, and an overall tired complexion. Red onions are an underrated anti-aging ally because they are rich in quercetin, a potent flavonoid with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Quercetin works on two fronts. It inhibits MMP activity, slowing the enzymatic breakdown of collagen, and it neutralizes oxidative stress, which can otherwise accelerate skin aging. Scientific research supports quercetin's role in preserving collagen. Studies show it helps maintain extracellular matrix integrity, reduces inflammatory cytokines, and promotes better skin resilience under environmental stresses like UV light and pollution. A common mistake when using red onions is cooking them at excessively high heat for too long, which degrades quercetin significantly. Another overlooked fact is that much of the quercetin content is concentrated in the outer layers and skin of the onion, which are often discarded. For maximum benefit, finely blend raw red onion directly into your lentil patty mixture, or sauté it lightly over low to medium heat just until softened. This preserves both flavor and nutritional potency. Now that inflammation is under control and collagen is shielded from enzymatic damage, it's time to highlight the core ingredient of this recipe, a humble pantry staple that works as a natural collagen factory and forms the heart of these anti-aging patties. Ingredient number 6. Red lentils. Collagen synthesis is impossible without a steady supply of essential amino acids and foundational minerals. As we age, protein intake often declines, and so does our body's ability to maintain firm, elastic skin. This is where red lentils shine. They are a powerhouse of plant-based protein, offering key amino acids like lysine, which is directly involved in collagen formation. Beyond protein, red lentils are rich in iron and zinc, two minerals that play critical roles in skin health. Zinc acts as a cofactor for collagen-producing enzymes, essentially switching on the machinery that builds and repairs connective tissue. Iron ensures oxygen delivery to skin cells, supporting the high energy demands of collagen synthesis and tissue regeneration. Without enough iron, skin can appear pale, tired, and less vibrant. Scientific evidence supports these benefits. Diets rich in plant proteins and minerals like zinc and iron are consistently linked to better skin integrity and slower visible aging. Red lentils also bring polyphenol, natural antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind premature collagen degradation. A common mistake is skipping the soaking step. Without soaking for at least 2 hours, lentils can be harder to digest, and nutrient absorption is reduced due to compounds like phytates. Overcooking is another pitfall. Boiling them until mushy can lead to nutrient loss and a less satisfying texture. For optimal results in collagen-friendly cooking, soak red lentils for 2 hours, then cook until just tender, maintaining their structure. This preserves nutrients and creates the perfect base for lentil patties, a hearty, skin-nourishing dish that delivers amino acids, minerals, and antioxidants in every bite. Cooking method. For lentil patties to hold their shape while keeping their texture tender, proper binding is essential. Breadcrumbs are a classic choice, but to keep the recipe skin-friendly, opt for whole grain or minimally processed breadcrumbs without added preservatives, refined oils, or excess sodium. This ensures you get extra fiber and micronutrients without unwanted additives that can promote inflammation. When it comes to cooking, avoid high-heat frying, which can degrade antioxidants and delicate vitamins in the vegetables. Instead, pan-sear the patties over medium heat using a small amount of plant-based butter or extra virgin olive oil. This not only locks in flavor but also provides healthy fats that improve the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients like lycopene from tomato paste and beta-carotene from carrots. Cook each side until golden and crisp, about 3 to 4 minutes per side, to preserve nutrient density while achieving that satisfying crunch. Pairing your lentil patties with the right sides can elevate both flavor and anti-aging benefits. A dollop of probiotic-rich Greek yogurt not only adds creaminess but also supports gut health, which is closely linked to skin vitality. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption, meaning more of those collagen-boosting vitamins and minerals make it to your skin cells. Top the yogurt with fresh berries such as blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. These are packed with vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis, and anthocyanins, which help protect collagen from free radical damage. The combination of probiotics and antioxidants turns your plate into a powerful skin-nourishing meal. Every ingredient in these lentil patties plays a targeted role in protecting and rebuilding collagen. Tomato paste shields against UV-induced collagen breakdown, garlic reinforces collagen cross-linking, carrots deliver vitamin A for skin renewal, parsley brings vitamin C for collagen synthesis, red onion offers quercetin to fight inflammation, and red lentils provide the amino acids and minerals that form collagen's foundation. For best results, enjoy this dish 2 to 3 times a week as part of a balanced diet rich in colorful vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Rotate toppings, sometimes with yogurt and berries, other times with avocado slices or a side salad, to keep meals exciting while supporting different aspects of skin health. The recipe is easy to prepare, made from everyday pantry staples, and backed by solid nutritional science. With just a little consistency, you can turn a simple plate of patties into a powerful anti-aging habit. Comment glow if you're ready to make this your new skin-friendly recipe, or share where you're watching from. I read and respond to every comment.